Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk more about the wood slat wall DIY that I did, different options of whether you want to buy panels or have them cut yourself, and the pros and cons to each. So the first option are prefab panels. So these are going to come already, put together. You have like the felt back, and then you could mount these to a wall using either a drill and screws, or you can use glue. So a lot of people choose to use glue so you don't see any of the screws. That's up to you, but if you have like a rental, I would advise using a drill and screws. And then just get black screws so that it blends in here. So this is how the panel will look. You attach to the wall and they come in different finishes. So this is the walnut finish. So when it comes to the cost, the prefab panels are more expensive just because it's a lot easier. All you have to do is attach it to the wall, and the cost is really going to depend on what you're doing, right? So a lot of people do this for like a TV accent wall. You can save some money by not applying it behind the TV and applying it around. So it just depends on you. Option number 2, which is the video that I posted a few days ago, is the wood slat DIY, like full DIY. So with that option, I've already taken it down, but I went to Home Depot, I bought a large piece of plywood, and I had them cut into 2-inch wood slats. So I had to put basically each slat on the wall individually using a brad nailer. So that was much less expensive. You're pretty much just paying for the plywood. But again, it just depends on whether you have access, for example, to a workshop where you can cut them. Home Depot and Lowe's, they do cut wood for you, but not this size. Well, at least the Home Depot that I went to, I think the smallest size that they could cut, actually I don't remember. So the best option is really going to depend on you and, let's say, your time, your budget. If you have access to, let's say, maybe a workshop. Home Depot and Lowe's, they do cut the wood for you, but not this many pieces and not this size. Well, at least for me. The Home Depot that I went to originally, they said that this was too small for the machine. Whether that's true, I'm not sure, but you can double check. But yeah, so those are the pros and cons. With the prefab panels, you can buy different finishes. So you can get, this is for example, walnut. You can get oak, you can get painted finishes. So you can get it in black or gray or whatever. With the DIY option, you're obviously just buying one piece of plywood. You're gonna stain it whatever color you want prior to putting it on the wall and kind of go that way. So I think that covers all the main points. If you guys have any questions, let me know. It's a pretty easy DIY. It really does change the look of the space. And I would also recommend adding LED lighting. We didn't do that, but in the future, when I do this project again, I'm definitely gonna add a little bit more of a 3D effect, like with paneling, and then I'm going to add lighting. So yeah. Hi guys, thanks for watching.